Did you know that pumpkin seeds are packed with nutrients? Just a small handful can give you a healthy dose of magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants, all of which can boost your immune system and support heart health. Pumpkin seeds have been a staple in many cultures for centuries. They're a nutrient-rich snack that's been enjoyed in various forms, from roasted to ground into flour. The seeds have been used in traditional medicine for their health benefits, and they're still a popular ingredient in many recipes today. Eating pumpkin seeds daily can have a significant impact on your health. For one, they're rich in magnesium, which can help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. They're also a good source of zinc, an essential mineral that supports immune function and can help with wound healing. Additionally, pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants that can help protect against cell damage and reduce inflammation. This can lead to better sleep, improved mood, and enhanced overall well-being. The benefits of pumpkin seeds don't stop there. They've also been shown to support prostate health in men and may even help with symptoms of an enlarged prostate. The seeds are also high in protein, making them a great snack for vegetarians and vegans. Furthermore, pumpkin seeds contain healthy fats that can help support weight management and improve cholesterol levels. With all these benefits, it's no wonder that pumpkin seeds are becoming increasingly popular in health circles. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. By supporting heart health, immune function, and sleep quality, pumpkin seeds can help you feel more energized and focused throughout the day. Plus, they're easy to add to your diet. Simply sprinkle them on your oatmeal or yogurt, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack. As a bonus, pumpkin seeds can even help support bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Many nutritionists and health experts swear by the benefits of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, says one expert. They're a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Personal testimonials also abound, with many people reporting improved energy levels and better overall health after incorporating pumpkin seeds into their daily routine. In summary, eating pumpkin seeds daily can have a transformative impact on your health. From improved heart health to enhanced immunity and better sleep, the benefits of pumpkin seeds are undeniable. So why not give them a try? We'd love to hear about your experiences with pumpkin seeds in the comments below. Have you noticed any benefits from eating them daily? Share your stories and let's get the conversation started. And if you're interested in learning more about healthy eating, be sure to check out our related videos on the topic.